Good morning, dear students. Hope all of you are well at home. Open your SST book. Chapter number 5, Community Helpers. Dignity of Labor. Dignity means respect. On the way, look around and find out the names of the following people who help you and your family. Number 1 is name of your family doctor. You will write name of your family doctor here. Number 2, name of the maid who works at your home. Number 3, name of the helper who helps you in school. Number 4, name of the driver who drives your school van or school bus. Number 5, name of your class teacher. All these people help you in your routine. So you have to write the names of these people in the given space. Okay. Now we will start the chapter Community Helpers. If you look around, you will find that there are various people around us who help us in our daily life. Community helpers are people who help us with our health and overall well being. They include farmers, doctors, teachers, soldiers, firefighters, policemen, and many more. Without these community helpers, life would be difficult. They make our lives comfortable and easy. Let us read about some community helpers. As you know, we people are living in a society, so we have need of others also in our life. As you know that we eat food from where it comes from the farmers' farms. Okay. When we fall sick, doctor help us to treat us. Teachers give us a good education. Soldiers give duty on borders. And others also help us in many ways. So we can't live alone without the help of others. To live a comfortable life, we have need of others also. First of all, we will read about farmers. Farmers grow food for our community. They work very hard in the fields and carry out agricultural activities. Some farmers grow fruits, vegetables, and some rear animals like cows, buffaloes, and goats to provide us with dairy products. As you know, to live a life, we have need of food also. So farmers grow food for the community. They work hard for us to give us food. And some farmers rear the animals for dairy products like milk, butter, ghee, curd, etc. So farmers help us to give a good food. Doctors and nurses. A doctor looks after our health. Whenever we are sick, we go to a doctor who treats us. He gives us medicines to cure our illness. A nurse serves the patients in hospitals. She looks after their food, medicines, and other needs. She is trained to give care to people who are sick or injured. As you know, when we fall sick, where we go? We always goes to a doctor to take the medicine. Doctor gives us a good treatment for our good health, and nurses helps the people who admitted in the hospital. They look after the people those are in the hospital as a patients. They give them food, medicines, and fulfill their other needs also. They are very trained to take care of the people who are sick or injured. Brain gain, rear to bring up and care for illness, a disease or period of sickness. Teachers. Teachers help by giving better education to the children. They teach children important lessons so that they grow up to be good citizens of our country. They teach children who grow up to be future doctors, engineers, and responsible officers. From where you get the education? From the school where teachers come to give you a good education. And teachers become good citizens to you by giving good education so that you can become a good citizen and you take good knowledge and good education to become in future doctors, engineers, and officers also. You know that when you will be good educated, then you will become doctor, engineer, and many of you will be officers and soldiers, many more others. Okay, soldiers. Soldiers secure our nation from external animals. External means outsiders. A soldier is always ready to die for his nation. We should respect soldiers for what they do for us. They face difficult situations at the border but still do their duty to protect our country. As you know, soldiers secure us means help us to from the outsider enemies. They give duty on the borders to protect the country from the enemies. A soldier is always ready to die for his nation means he is always ready to give his life for the country. We should respect soldiers. We should respect soldiers so because they always face so many problems for to save us from the enemies. They give duty on the borders in summer, in winter also. They face so many difficult situations. Firefighters. Firefighters or firemen are people who put out fire and save people. Whenever there is a fire in houses and buildings, firefighters come to the scene and put out fire using large hose pipes of water. They are brave people who face dangers to save us from big fires. You know that firefighters are very brave persons. Those help us to save from the fire when it is fire in the house or in any building. The firefighters come and to hold the situation and they use a large flexible tube to spray the water on the fire so that they can save the lives. Policemen. Policemen help in maintaining law and order in our country. They work day and night to protect us from all dangers. They make us feel safe in our cities. The traffic policemen in cities control the traffic on roads so that traffic moves smoothly and there are fewer accidents. They also check that people follow the traffic rules while driving their vehicles. Besides the above, there are many other community helpers in our society like the milkman, sweeper, gardener, security guard, liftman, grocery seller, etc. They all work hard to serve us. As you know that policeman, what is the duty of a policeman? To maintain the law and order in the country so that all people can follow the rules of the country. They work day and night to protect us from all dangers. You know that policemen give the duty day and night. They make us feel safe in our cities. Because of them, we are safe. Because of the police, we are safe in our homes because they give the duty day and night for our protection. The traffic police, what is the work of the traffic police? To control the traffic on the roads so that there should not be any accident or any mishappening will be there. Okay, they help to people to control the traffic. They also check that people follow the traffic rules while driving their vehicles. The traffic police also check the vehicles those are going on the those are on the road that they are following the traffic rules. Besides the above, there are many other community helpers. As you know that we have read about so many helpers, and you know that in our society, milkman, sweeper, gardener, security guard, liftmen, and grocery sellers are also our helpers. They also work hard to serve us.